How to set up Linksys Velop Mesh with 5-button push method. First of all, gather all your equipment near your modem to start the setup process. This includes Linksys Velop parent node, main router, child nodes, extenders, Ethernet cables, and power adapters for each node. If you already have an existing router, disconnect it from the modem. Unplug your modem for 10 seconds, then plug it back in to restart and refresh the connection. Connect the parent node, main router, to your modem using an Ethernet cable through the Internet port. You can use any ports on the rear side as Internet port if there is no specific port labeled as Internet port. While adding child nodes, extenders, place them near the parent node, no more than 10 feet apart. Ensure both the parent node and child node are in setup mode with a solid purple light. If any node doesn't have a purple light, reset it by pressing and holding the reset button for 15 seconds. Press the reset button on the bottom of the parent node 5 times within 5 seconds. Do not long press. The light on the parent node will start blinking, indicating that the setup process has started. The parent node will scan for nearby unconfigured child nodes. Wait for the child node's lights to blink, signaling they are being detected. Once the light on the child node turns solid blue, it's ready. This may take a few minutes. When all nodes show solid blue lights, your network setup is complete. Now, move the child nodes to their desired locations. Now, you can connect your devices to the default Wi-Fi network using the credentials mentioned on the bottom of the parent node, main router. You can also use Linksys app or the router's web interface to customize and manage your network settings. The videos for these setups are given in the description below. You're all set. Enjoy your Wi-Fi network. Thank you for watching.